Good evening, everybody. Oh, poop, my keys are out of order. There we go. Da. Another night of nightly rounds. St. North here. These locks are hard to turn. So, yeah. Getting going tonight. So, spent part of my day doing my interview, and that went amazing. The other part was over here in 207. Had yet another critical, amazingly, right as my interview was starting. And so they were like, yeah, can you, no. Okay, good. They were like, can you go look at that when we get done? And of course I was like, sure. So, yep. So, you can see we have a temporary cable there. Nice to see that, nice to see that it's off. So, yeah, just had the issue of it not coming on. So for the class at the time, I just had to drop an HDMI cable from the projector right to his laptop so that he could present something. And that worked for the time, and then it came back when the room was available. Took it apart, diagnosed the issue, found out not only was it a bad DM cable running from the DMPS to the wall. Hold on, somebody's texting me. It was also a bad distribution amplifier, seemingly, because it was causing the flickering. And there was also a bad HDMI cable in the ceiling going from the DA to the other projector. So we'll have to replace an EtherCon jack in there with a actual EtherCon jack and run a new EtherCon cable to it. So we'll do that probably during rounds one night or just sometime during the day when the building is available. Hold on. Trouble pull station. Trouble pull station outside room 115. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, the enunciator. Oh, my friend's calling me. I'm gonna get this on video too. Hi. Well, there is nothing wrong with this. Well, I have a trouble code on the fire alarm saying, what was it saying? It was saying something about pull station near 115. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not pulled. The alarm's obviously not going off, but I have a, trouble code, pull station outside room 115. I know, right? Ooh, I want that. I'll take that. Alright, it looks like I'm gonna have to give public safety a call. And, or rather a chat. Holy crap, that's an old breaker panel. It got nothing in it. Oh, look at that. That is hot. Oh, that is so too stinking cool. That's the old telephone. Oh. Okay. Anyway, I wasn't doing this earlier, so yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to give public safety a text and be like, hey, we got a fire alarm code on here. I was getting ready to walk out the door. I'm doing my rounds, and I just hear this buzz, this continuous beep, and I'm like, what the heck is that? And yeah, the alarm annunciator is going off, so. All right, that's fine. Uh-huh. Oh, shit. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Damn. Mm-hmm. Well, everybody's been getting sick, yeah. Wild. Yeah, dang. That's crazy. Yeah, it can be a little weird. I can... I completely understand that. I'm kind of the same way, I gotta admit. Mm-hmm. Dang, dude. Yeah. Kind of an awkward situation, indeed. All right, I have submitted a ticket to the public safety, so I'm in their chat. It's interesting, it also has the wrong time on here. It says it's 6:50 p.m. It is most certainly not 6:50 p.m. Well, let me cut my YouTube video clip right there. All right, everybody. So I called UNG Public Safety. They said, yeah, apparently it's an ongoing issue, and they've already got a work order submitted for it, and nobody's taken a look at it yet. So, not really anything they can do about it, obviously. I didn't expect that. Sorry, falling camera angles. Trying to get my keys. That is not the right key. Crap. There you go. I redid my keychain. Now I'm having to relearn all my key locations. So, okay. So, yeah, they just said, not really anything they can do about it. So, they said, thanks for letting us know it's happening again. We did lock that. Okay, good. So, yep. Lovely. More fun and games and nightly rounds, right? Fire alarm trouble. This after the sprinkler pipe in the suites blew up last Friday. Can you believe it? The night that I didn't do rounds, I would have been right in the middle of that. I would have been at H&S at that time, because I was going to do H&S that night, but I decided not to do rounds, instead grinding out Sea of Thieves with my friends. But no, the night that I don't do rounds, yeah, of course, all the fun happens. So, go figure. Got a doll baby, I love her soul, nothing else like her anywhere you go. Oh man, she's anything but calm, a regular pint-sized atom bomb. Baby little atom bomb, want her in my wigwam. She's just the way I want her to be, a million times hotter than TNT. We ought to bum. We are a atom bomb baby, a fortune with power, radioactive as a TV tower, a nuclear vision in her soul, loves with electronic control. Atom bomb baby, little atom bomb, I want her in my wigwam. The way I want her to be, a million times hotter than TNT. Atom bomb baby, before she can start one of those chain reactions in my heart. Big explosion, big and loud, mushrooms me with her heads up on a cloud. Atom bomb baby, little atom bomb, I want her in my wigwam. That seems kind of redundant, right? A million times hotter than TNT. Atom bomb baby, sweet as a plum, carries more wallets. Yum, when she kisses, there's no hitch. Zero power, she turns on us. It's atom bomb baby, little atom bomb, turn my wigwam. Smaller than 10, baby, little bomb. Let's see if that holds it up. Right. It's on Thursday. I see it goes left and you stay right between the lines. Fear and blame, you begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend. You can see we have the fountain on tonight. Lovely. With you all night, had I known how to save a life. Good. something in here today. Lost a man somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night. Had a how to save up. I lost a friend. It's a nice image. With you all night, and I known how to save a life. What about the Rushton? Rushton is off. That one too? More than likely. Huh. Well, may not have hit the ground. Nope, they just never had one there. And a bunch of students in there. All right. 421's good. Right. Duh. Wow. Wow. Me too, buddy. Me too. Lovely. Bevilt Selbstbegangen, Etchus, Vanetit Variets. Napoli Victor Nesta Bonicia, Yesidan, this mas Grisha Pagino, Tag Manit Vai, Glasia Butifanari, Bibi the Shekari, Shevici Pianas Goses, Hujis Nadrish, Glasia Pari. Yeah, I knew it. I do have my tips to terminate that cable. So I think I do. I'll put them in my pocket. Duh. I got my tip. I got a 44 and a 48. Wasn't sure which one I needed. I'm pretty sure it's just a 44. But I'll terminate that when I come down here tomorrow for class. Go ahead and knock that out. Get that taken care of. Very good. Decoration. Tally, yeah, many, yeah, oh well. Shut down. Seeker through morning is Chinese Vizdavzdani. I can see that is open. Why is it open? Alright, well, it wasn't propped open or anything, so. To choose, no, cine, dimmy, to give a kind of zul, tally, yeah, money, yeah. Oh, I know. Newton Oaks. 206? Yeah, the room that we need to put the box in. I brought the hammer drill and the correct concrete bit, so we'll go ahead and get that installed tonight too. So, I've got all that. We can get that done. Another thing to mark off the list. All right, we're all good. So I'll cut the clip here. I'll see you over in Dunlap and Newton Oaks in just a second. Hey everybody. All right, we're over here in Newton Oaks 206. We're gonna do this. So my boss said, well, just put it under it. We'll see if we can put it under it. So, I'll start with a small bit. Okay. All right, where's that box? There we are. I recognize a Sharpie would be better. Okay. Now that seems a little small to me. .3/16 and 5/32, so. Bon, ma chérie, va la cake.
Zilimir. Yeah, that seems more about right. All right. Let's pull my funds over here. Oops. I mean to hit the camera. Если се я не значи, я не веho токе чипаче, to catch it. Токе если се я не значи, я не веho токе чипаче. Oops. I don't have my extension. That's okay. I can make this work. Sniff up. Yeah. Тебе рушение фанзонзик. Anime, nezevenie nerut, namsta pude krut, zeperut, tibienarut. You know, it also occurs to me, I have forgotten the screws. I have to run back and get those. Oh no! Alive with the gamish, little boy, oh, you have got to be kidding me. Step put it krut, my life with the gamish, little boy. Yeah, better to be up on Zonzik. Megiroi anime. Oh, come on. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna shave a little off the top here. Yeah, got that pretty spot on. There we go. Take my hand, I'll show you the wild side. Like it's the last night of our lives. We'll keep dancing till we die. There. All right. That's good. That's what it needs to be. So, okay, that goes in the pocket. Look at the size of that drill bit, huh? Like, darn, that's a big bit. Nobody can know. The future is what everything's about. It's better for you and it's better for me. It's better than what everybody thought it would be. The future has arrived today. The future has arrived today. The future's alive, alive as can be. Just open your eyes, it's as plain to see. Just don't be afraid, just keep going on. One step at a time and you can't go wrong. It's time, create, time to grow. If you're feeling right, the world, yeah, she's changing. Don't it make you feel alive? All right. We're good to go. So that's going to conclude it for this little clip. We're going to go put these back in the Polaris, and we're going to get going with our regular rounds for these buildings. So I will pack all this up. Well, I've already packed it up, I guess, haven't I? So I'll go put all this away, and then I will be back here to do the rest of the rounds. See you in just a minute. All right, we're going to start doing our normal rounds, and see, guys, this is why you have to check behind you. The door did not shut. So security, all about security. Very good. All right, let's do our normal rounds, shall we? Today was February 7th. All right, Kahoot game is old. Everybody go for the way we do it, 'cause we do it like nobody else. Don't you bite it, let me hear you sing. Let me hear ya. Windows. Whoops, I walked right past it. Sorry, a friend of mine just cut himself and he's in the ER right now. So, having to keep up with him, making sure that he's okay. No te lo job, si lo quieres no lo niegues, te quiero wicked. It's waiting for ya.
Do you know that we're like nobody else? Just sing. Hear you sing. Won't you don't reach with your elbow? Let me hear ya. You're playing the drum. Let me hear you sing. It's waiting for ya. Already you know that you do it like nobody else. Just sing. Sing it together. Louder than ever. Forget everything. Sing, it's what we've been missing, and they're gonna listen, listen, forget everything, just sing, sing it together, for then ever, ever. Every song windows, fear in my soul I'm letting go, and anyone likes time I let him know. She's the one, I say it loud. She's the one, I say it proud. Ring a bell for the whole crowd. Ring a bell, I'm telling the world that I found a girl, the one I can live for, the one who deserves. Every song on my lips I'm singing out. Any fear in my soul I'm letting go. And anyone who asks I'ma let them know. She's the one, that I found a girl, the one I could live for, the one who deserves to get all my light, a reason to fly, the one I can live for, a reason for life. Oh, way, oh. Oh, hey, oh, yeah, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, yeah. Oh, I saw those lights on. I'm telling the world that I found that girl, the one I can live for, the one who deserves to get on my life, a reason to fly, the one I can live for, a reason for life. Yeah, oh, hey, oh, oh, hey, oh, yeah, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. 019 is on. Public safety is over there at Cottrell. Oh, here we are. Projector, I think, is off. Duh. Look at this. Oh, it's empty. I was gonna say if it's full. Huh. But no, it's just empty. Oh, come on. It seems, 'cause I get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they try to teach me how to dance. A foxtrot above my head, a sun cup beneath my bed. When I'm far too tired to fall asleep, million fireflies. I'm weird 'cause I hate goodbyes. Guys, as they said farewell. Oh, hey, that means we can cross that ticket off. Close that ticket. Slowly, it's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, because everything is never as it seems. Wow. They just disconnected. Turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, because my dreams are bursting at the seams. All right. Getting there, getting there, getting there. That's over. Accidentally. Nobody saw that. No one saw that. Holy shit, it's off. This one's open though, and it has windows open. Around the world, around the world. The world, around the world, around the world, around the world. The world, around the world, around the world, around the world. Yeah, I thought they were open. There we go. Around the world, 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 around the world. Shh, nobody saw me take those down. That was an oopsie. Completely forgot today's actually the 7th, not the 8th. Oops. That's okay though. Ah, you son of a gun. Alright. Anyway, geez, I haven't asked you how your day was. I hope everybody had a good day. I say all that as I yawn. I hope everybody. Ooh. The stuff? Huh. It's junk, yes. But doesn't have anything good in it. I say it's broken. Oh well. I was like, man, that's too good to be a laptop. That was too convenient. World, world, windows. I will be going back and getting some screws to put that faceplate on, so I'll be doing that after I finish. Holy shit, that's old. World, around the 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 world. Man, why did y'all turn the freaking AC on? It was 63 degrees outside today. Actually, it was hotter than that. I swear to God, it was like 70 in the shade. I mean, the sun. It was hot. Windows. world around. The world around the world. All right, we seem to be okay in here. Sign, okay. All right, I'll go ahead and cut the clip here for Dunlap and Newton Oaks. I will catch you over at Rogers in just a minute. Yeah, someone's left another one of these in here. All right, yeah, the systems are on, so. Ja, loop, loop, nasta na bit it. The dogs put a bill of dime, but you're the detective. Smudging at the beer, kim chicken, and making folks still the songs. Yeah, but I play the dogs. Put a bill of dime, but you're the detective. Smudging kim chicken, and making folks. $1964, huh? Oh, that is disgusting. Ugh. Who keeps leaving their shit in here? Oh, golly. People need to clean up after themselves. Oh, geez, no wonder. Just a little dusty, these pillows. Take that. Take that too. Nice. I don't like Monday, I wanna shoot. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is a metal rod if I ever saw one. Yeah, it's an aluminium rod. Just a rod of solid aluminium.
and day. Why I don't like, me why I don't like. Days tell me why I don't like, and days I wanna shoot. Ooh, the whole day down. All right, that's gonna do it for Rogers. So I'll go ahead and end the video here. Ooh. So hope everybody enjoyed. Hope you had a good night. Hope you had a good day. Have a good night. And I will see you right back here tomorrow night with the next video of Nightly Rounds. So until then, stay awesome.